guys, it's Tori. Welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So I just received this Artkaler heat press machine and asked to review it and share my honest opinion. I couldn't wait to share this unboxing experience with all of you. So let's go ahead and get started. So let me tell you a little bit about it, why we unbox it. This fantastic heat press machine measures 12 inches by 10 inches and is perfect for various projects like t-shirts, sublimation, vinyl, bags, do-it-yourself heating transfers, and much more. One of its standout features is the ability to achieve quick and even heating in just 3 minutes, which reduces heating time by 50%. This innovative design utilizes multiple heating spots to evenly distribute heat across the entire 12 by 10 heat plate. It also comes with this really soft, I want to say a velvety bag to store the heat press in, and it comes with 5 or 6 heat transfers. So I'm super excited to go ahead and get started, and let's go ahead and do a project. To set the timer, press the timer button, and then you adjust with the plus or the minus, and then you're going to press the set temperature. And then to do the time, you'll do the same thing, but you'll press the time button, or it looks like a clock, and then you'll adjust with the plus and the minus, and then you'll confirm it by pressing clock again. Temperature of the heat press to 335 and the time to 60 seconds. Before pre-pressing the shirt to remove any moisture, I gently rolled it with the lint roller. I applied the heat transfer to the shirt and secured it with heat-resistant tape. You'll want to use parchment paper or Teflon sheet on top, and then firmly press the heat press for 60 seconds. Next, I turned the shirt inside out and I repeated those steps. I let the heat transfer cool, and then I went ahead and removed the heat transfer. So this turned out super cute. What do you guys think? So this heat press has an intuitive appearance with user-friendly controls. Even if you're a beginner, you'll feel right at home with this heat press. It only took 3 minutes to become acquainted with all its functions, making it incredibly easy to bring my creative projects to life. It has a built-in cover that ensures your hands remain safe during the operation, and this printing press machine features overheating protection that automatically shuts off after 10 minutes of any inactivity to provide you peace of mind. I'll leave a link below if you're interested, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.